Alright, this is Shatadru's apartment. I found the door open. So I'm just gonna find.
They did not have any faucet.
Amazing place. It's really raining today, guys. And yeah, let's go see his apartment. Alright. It's been a crazy day, guys. Alright. Let's go. Yes, it's been raining today in New York City. And yeah, it's been fun. I'll take rain any day than snow. Let's go see our friend Shatadru. I think he is in 303. Yes, he is. Let's see.
Oh, hi, buddy.
How's it going, Shatadru?
It's going fine. Welcome.
All right,
welcome.
thank you so much. All right, so here we are.
I'm so glad that you came. Yeah.
All right, so give us a tour of your apartment.
So yeah, so this is as you know, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath apartment.
Okay.
So this is the common area, the kitchen.
All right, so this is your kitchen as soon as you enter.
This area is the dining area.
It's the dining
a
area.
bit messy now.
It's fine.
Yeah,
It's fine.
this
Student
area
life.
Is the dining area. This is the basically the curtain.
Got it.
Outside
Okay.
You can see.
Oh, let's take a view. Look at it.
Yeah.
Can you open it for us?
Actually, now it's
Oh, hold on. Yeah, you have it right here. Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, it is fine. It's
Actually,
fine. Yeah.
actually, it doesn't like
Open
it's not-
anymore.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Excellent. We have a great view here. It will take time. You will have to like fix every single one of them to get it out. That's fine. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is basically the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
Storage spaces.
Storage
basically.
space.
Here
Okay.
all sorts of
Oh, nice.
masalas, and this is the oven.
I see someone drinks a lot of green tea here.
Yeah. Not me, but my roommates drink a lot of green tea.
Got it.
And
Okay.
this is basically the oven,
Oven. All right.
and there's the microwave.
It's a fancy
You
one.
have the dishwasher here.
Great.
A typical US apartment. This is the fridge.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the freezer, and you also have a
Okay.
storage
Oh, wow.
freezer below.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And this is a
So,
typical,
this is a 3-bedroom. Can you tell us a little bit about cost? How much is the
so
cost?
it's $4,300 for
For-
the entire
for the
apartment,
entire
and
apartment.
per person it's $1,400.
$1,400.
Right.
Okay. So that's just the rent.
That's just
And
the rent.
does it
You
include the
also have
insurance as well?
Insurance of $133 per person. So
That-
it's
that is
$399.
included?
No. That's
Okay.
not included.
Okay. So
That's
that
the
means
insurance which you have to pay additionally.
okay on top of it. So basically, I would say $1,550 then.
Right. Exactly.
Per
And
person.
This is the main bathroom.
Okay. So let's look at that.
It's quite decent, quite large.
Yeah, I was surprised by the size of your bathroom. It's huge. I mean, you can put an extra bed here. So, yeah, I mean, when you're living with students, you have so much space. You can rent it out. Okay.
These are the 2 rooms, and this is my room.
All right. So let's go do your check it out.
It's small. It has a private bathroom, attached bathroom
So
with
this
it.
is where you study.
Yeah, this is the study table.
Structural engineer
This is
here.
structural engineering stuff.
Okay, great.
This is a heater cum AC, so it
Great.
serves both purposes.
This is very
You
interesting.
can control it from here only.
Okay.
Direct, you can basically change the modes from here. As you see now, it's in heat mode.
Okay.
You can just change it from heat mode to cool mode directly from here.
Okay.
So that's something. Yeah.
Understood. Okay, all right, great. So, how much area would you say this is, Shatadru?
It's around, I guess, if you exclude the bathroom,
Mm-hmm.
it's 800.
square feet.
Yeah.
The entire apartment.
Yeah.
Okay. 800 square feet, $4,300.
Right.
That's very interesting.
Right.
Yeah, okay. It's very interesting. Like I was.
If you include the bathrooms, it's much more.
Okay. All right. So this is a smaller bathroom then.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Right.
Excellent.
This is a smaller private bathroom.
Private bathroom. I like that. Yes.
Yeah.
This is actually this like a New York City hotel room, you know.
Because in New York, everything is so much cramped, as you know.
Yes. Oh, you have a really good view, buddy.
Yeah, it's a nice view, but it's on the opposite side of the road.
Got
so
it.
you as you saw from the study room, the road view is much more, for which you have to pay more.
Got it. Okay,
Yeah.
I
so
see.
the apartment on the facing the side on the main road, they
Is
are
more
much
expensive.
Much more expensive.
Okay, excellent. All right, so
Yeah,
3
you can go
bedroom.
down and see the
and,
views then.
let's go downstairs and then
And study
check out.
area.
Yes, let's go. All right. Okay, there we go. All right, so you are on the 3rd floor, right?
Yeah, we are on the 3rd floor.
Okay. All right. So how
Maybe
long?
we can check out the rooftop first.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the roof. So how long you have been here?
I have been here from the last August,
Okay.
so it has been almost a year.
Almost a year. Okay. 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 Went to the rooftop. Oh, where is the rooftop? Let's see.
It's on the 17th floor.
Wow.
After the 17th is roof.
Alright, so
Yeah, so let's go.
Here we are and on the roof.
This is the rooftop and it's raining
It's
outside
raining
now, but
outside.
let's check out.
Yes, we
Okay.
just go a quick
Yes.
small round. Oh wow, beautiful. Yeah. Alright guys, for this view I think it's worth paying $4,300. I mean you maybe even $5,000.
You have the New York City skyline view there.
Oh wow.
This is the view for which you are paying.
Exactly. Oh beautiful. Look at that.
Overcast conditions, so you can't really get the view of it, but at night it's really a mesmerizing view from here.
Wow. This is amazing. So this is not Central Park guys. That's
the
Central
Park
Park.
and that's the Billionaire
Yeah.
Row, as you can see.
Oh yeah, that's
The
slender
skyline,
building. If
yeah.
you really see, that is the Billionaire's Row. So let's
Right.
zoom in a little bit and then just read. So we are north of Central Park. That everything there is south of Central Park. Wow, this is an amazing view, Shatadru. I really love it.
It's really nice. I also love it, but
I see. And you are on the 3rd floor. This is 17th floor. That's amazing. Okay. Alright.
the skyline view is the one which actually attracts most of the residents here.
Here. Yeah, amazing. I know.
Yeah.
The evening parties here will be
Exactly.
phenomenal. Alright, let's go downstairs, guys. It's raining a lot.
Common community lounge.
Alright, so this is
the gym, the study room, the laundry. So let me show you first the common community lounge.
Okay. So this is the lounge where
Yeah, so
basically we chill.
basically you can lay out here, watch movies,
We
play
just had
pool,
lunch here.
or maybe just work. Sitting here. This is an ideal place to work.
It's amazing.
You can grab drinks from here.
So you have to pay for them,
Yeah,
right?
you have to pay
Okay,
for
got it. Alright.
Right.
Okay, so that's really cool, man. Okay, yeah, check it out, guys. And so, is this TV on, like, or do you have to connect your own thing to
Or
it?
you have to connect your Netflix or stuff like that.
Got it. Okay, so they have heater and cooler here. Okay, such a cool place to hang out. Amazing place to hang out.
Yeah, so just you have to
I
connect
see.
your Prime Video, anything.
Amazing.
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, I would never get out of here, man. I would make sure, like, I just use this place, yeah, as much as I can.
The
And
main study room is on the other side of this room.
chill out, guys. Yeah. And this is the front view. Yeah. Okay, look at that. That's the front of the apartment, the street view. Such a beautiful place. All right.
Yeah, this street is the most posh area in uptown, like Upper West Side of Manhattan. So
Got it.
Rooftop Street is the best place to be when you are in the uptown area.
Got it. Okay. Excellent. All right. Let's go check
Let's
out
go.
the gym.
Yeah, let's go. is basically the gym. You turn on the lights for you. Yeah.
Wow.
So you have all types of amenities. Chest, biceps, triceps there.
Wow. Amazing.
Basically cardio and everything here.
I see.
And you also have a really good porch overlooking the gym, which becomes an ideal place in summer and fall.
Got it. Okay.
Right. So we can go from there.
Go on the other side, right? That's fine. You don't have to go out. It's raining.
Yep.
So yeah, but you can basically sit here and relax.
Right.
Okay. Alright. Cool. Okay.
It's a nice place.
Yeah. It's
And
amazing.
then let me show you the laundry area.
Got
Basically, all apartments in US come with these facilities. Basically, New York, they come with these facilities.
it. What's here? Oh, laundry room. Oh, let's check it out. Yeah. This is where you do the laundry.
So you have to connect your phone with this pay range app.
Okay.
There are two machines around here.
Okay.
You connect your phone with this pay range app. You pay $2.75 for both washing and drying.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
2.75
$75.
each or like
No,
together?
Together.
That's really cheap.
Together.
That's good.
So washing and drying.
Great.
Both units are here.
Starting out life one load at a time. Alright, amazing. Alright, Shatadru. More. What else we have here?
And we actually have the study room here, which is the main attraction for students
Okay.
or even working professionals. This is an ideal place which you can use to
I
sit
love
quietly
it.
and study even at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. at night.
So this is just like a library, you know?
Right.
A really cool place.
Exactly.
I saw your
There are
friend here.
isolated units where you can sit and basically do your work.
Such a cool place to sit and chill.
Yeah. I personally like this place.
What's that?
This tagline,
Mm-hmm.
as you see, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs.
You bet, man.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. How are you doing?
Studying.
Studying.
Finals week, you know.
Oh, fine.
Oh,
Right.
you're still not done?
No, I'm like mine goes late. I go until the 16th.
Oh, okay. Are you at Columbia too?
No, I go to Fordham Law School.
Oh, okay. You're smarter than me.
Much more smarter.
Stop.
I considered law school, but I was like, oh, it's too long, you know?
Oh yeah. I'm like I tell people like for the week.
Are you staying in New York this summer or going for internship?
I got an internship in the summer.
Okay.
In New York City, so I'll be.
Oh, really?
But I'm originally from here. I'm from New York, so.
Okay.
this is home.
That's really good.
Yes,
Oh,
good.
wow. Okay, alright.
Okay,
Well, good luck.
carry on.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so you see students studying here, chilling. Let's go. I think that's pretty much it,
That's
right?
pretty much it, yeah.
Alright, okay, there's someone outside. Hello. Alright. So I think this is it. And
The two stairs and two
yeah.
elements.
so tell me, Shatadru, is it worth paying this much money for this apartment?
Actually, yes. Actually, the type of facilities you get, like if you have any problem in the apartment, it will be like if you report to them, they will respond get it fixed within 24 hours. So
Wow.
it's a very prompt building management hub, NYC property management. So it's fantastic.
Great. Okay.
And this area is one of the, as I said, one of the most posh areas in Upper West Side of Manhattan. You basically have everything here, ranging from Whole Foods, groceries, fish markets to Zara, H&M, and everything.
Got it.
Furniture shops. So
Amazing. A very safe area
convenient.
as well.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
you also have a Chase main outlet on the opposite side, and banks like Wells Fargo and everything. So
Got it.
the metro station, the subway is 1 minute walk from
Okay.
my apartment.
So how far is Columbia from
Columbia
here?
is 10 minutes. You
10
can
minutes.
Walk.
Is 10
yeah,
minutes.
10 minutes.
Awesome. Excellent. So thanks for showing us this,
Thank you so much. It was
Shatadru.
my pleasure.
Okay, we enjoyed it. Yep. Bye.